Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you how to make alcohol ink trinket dishes. And these are a few examples of some I made. I just coated them with resin to give it a nice shine and to protect the painting as well. And these will be available on my website. I'll link it in the description below if you wanted to grab one. So I only used these three colors for all the trays you saw earlier. And it's a good idea to start off with just one pack if you're learning and then add colors as you go. Oops, of course I'll be dropping things as well. And then this is the gold I use for detailing. So just grab any ceramic trays you can find. And then the first thing you would want to do is tape down the edges with painter's tape. This will keep the edges nice and clean. And make sure you push down the edges of the tape properly so the ink doesn't leak through. And I did make a video of what not to do as well, so you can check that out if you like. So I just decided to use these two colors by Holtz. And you can use rubbing alcohol if you're new to this and any cotton ball to dab. And now you take some rubbing alcohol and cover the tray. This will help the ink flow. Then you just dot on the colors. And you can wet the cotton ball as well with rubbing alcohol if you like. And that's all you do. You keep on dabbing the colors on and adding different colors as you go. So the more rubbing alcohol you add to your cotton balls, the more the colors will separate, lift, and blend. So you can do this with just one color or add more colors as you go to create depth. And then all you do is layer in between both colors. So this tray is more of an example of a blended layered tray, but if you want more of a separated, less blended look, don't cover the entire dish with color. Just dab on random sections once with 2 different colors and then that's it. After the inks have dried, peel back the tape carefully. And clean the edges with a Q-tip. Just soak one side in rubbing alcohol and keep one side dry. Make sure you don't get too close to the inks because it will react like you'll see here. But if it does, it's okay. Just dab on the inks that was left over on the cotton ball and clean it up like you did before with the Q-tip. Alright, so you can leave the tray as is if you like the look, or you can add more details with gold paint, which I'll be doing here. So finally, you can add some resin and you're done! So I hope you learned something new and enjoyed this video. I'm still new to this, so bear with me, I'll get better. But I hope you all have a good day and hope to see you next time. Bye!